Let's look at the process of adding a password to a PDF document. From the Security tab, we'll select Manage Security and then Modify. Power PDF supports multiple types of security, including password security and Microsoft Purview information protection. For the security method, we'll select password security from the available options. First, we'll add a document open password, which will restrict opening of the document to only those that know the password. And we can also select permissions passwords, which will be able to restrict things like printing and changing a document to only those that know that password. We'll select OK, and an overview of the changes are displayed. And as you can see, the security settings will only take effect once the document has been saved. So notice that the title now is listed as secured. Let's go ahead and save this document and reopen it to show that the security has been applied. The first thing we notice when we open the document is that the document now requires a password in order to open it. We can also see that the print option is now grayed out. And also see that if we try and select text in a document, that text is restricted from being copied. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.